Welcome to the Advanced Intelligence Center and Ceasefire, India's leading security and fire safety solutions company. Ceasefire has a long-standing history of innovation and excellence. We started off with standalone extinguisher solutions, differentiating ourselves with innovative products and top-notch customer service. Over time, we have evolved from products to total solutions, from medium customers to mammoth projects. In short, macro thinking. But we have kept our edge by ensuring individual, detailed specialization in each product segment. Micro thinking. Ceasefire today combines macro and micro thinking to achieve size and scale by focusing on the details, ensuring that we anticipate our customers' every need. We provide 360-degree life-saving fire and safety solutions by offering 400 life-saving products. Products that range from environmentally safe fire extinguishers to robust access control systems, from state-of-the-art 3-tier security systems to IP CCTV solutions, all coming together to create 3 strong verticals: fire solutions, security solutions, and projects. What's more, our dedicated workforce is always seeking and creating safety solutions that are on the cusp of new technologies. These have led to tie-ups and partnerships with some of the world's leading fire and security solutions companies and exclusive contracts to market their products in India. And because we believe that experience is everything, we've set up this Advanced Intelligence Center. At the AI Center, we've created demo facilities for our safety and security products. This allows us to experiment with advanced systems and hone in on the world that suits our client requirements, and develop and invent cutting-edge comprehensive solutions that anticipate our clients' needs. The AI Center also functions as a training site where we thoroughly educate our team members, clients, and consultants on every system, so our partners and associates know exactly what goes into the critical business of saving lives, allowing us to work together towards becoming the largest provider of superior safety and security systems across India and the world. Let's take a closer look at some of the newest technologies being tested and demonstrated at the Ceasefire AI Center. Water may be fire's most potent enemy, with its massive cooling power of 2.6 MW per liter per second. But you need a lot of water to put out a fire effectively. Often there's post-fire collateral damage too, because water damages furniture, valuable objects, and electronics like computers. And then there's the added danger of electrocution when trying to battle fires involving electronic devices. The need for today then is cutting-edge technology that changes water's natural form so that water can fight all kinds of fire without causing any collateral damage to the premises or the earth. We call that firefighting technology Watermist. Using Watermist technology, we realized we could alter the very form of water, converting it into a very fine mist, thereby making it an outstanding physically acting agent with exceptionally high heat-absorbing capacity due to high latent heat of vaporization. Here's how Watermist works. First, water is pumped through specially designed nozzles that break water down into minuscule particles. Here's the nozzle demonstration area at the Ceasefire AI Lab. There are special nozzles for single fluid systems. Twin fluid systems need separate pipes, one for nitrogen gas or compressed air and the other for water. Both of these come together at the nozzle point and get converted into water mist. These nozzles have the capacity to break water down into a fine mist of as little as 40 microns in a revolutionary technology. 40 microns is really tiny. The mist is dispersed with great force. The microscopic particles travel much further than water because they're smaller and lighter than water particles. A continuous stream of mist amounts to trillions of fire-extinguishing droplets attacking the fire, and the force with which they're thrown gives the droplets the power to break through heat currents and reach the fire source. When it reaches the fire, water mist envelops the flames, gets converted into steam, cuts off the oxygen supply, and reduces the temperature to below combustion levels. This threefold approach ensures that even the largest fire succumbs to water mist technology in minutes. Water mist keeps fire damage to a minimum and is suitable for a range of applications involving electronics, people, furniture, food production units, and more. Ceasefire offers a wide range of water mist products that fit all kinds of requirements, from portable fire extinguishers to complete systems. No matter the size of the application, water mist can take the fire on. Ceasefire has designed numerous water mist systems for all types of applications. Now we're going to discuss a water mist system that's been designed for indoor applications. But first, let's discuss the risks indoor applications face. Let's start with food production units, where the presence of cooking fat, oil, and other inflammable materials around stoves makes the units vulnerable to fires. In the event of a fire, chemical-based extinguishing systems would destroy the unit and the food, halting operations for a long time. Regular water-based extinguishers, on the other hand, would simply make the fire spread. Industrial sheds where expensive machinery and goods are stored are also vulnerable to fire. Water sprinkler systems might put out the fire, however, at the risk of a massive collateral damage. Fueled by the extensive presence of petroleum, grease, paint, etc., fires in airplane hangars can potentially end in a devastating explosion. What's more, any damage to the airplane or airplane parts would be very expensive. And then there are fires in warehouses, where a traditional sprinkler system would cause more damage than the fire itself. What's more, depending on their contents, stored goods can actually fuel the fire. Not only do fires in warehouses result in huge amounts in collateral damage, the fire can spread to adjacent storage areas. Office areas too are fire-prone due to the presence of electronics, wiring, furniture, files, books, and carpeting. Not only do fires in offices result in huge amounts of collateral damage, they can also spell an end or long-term halt to business operations. Finally, tunnels and underground systems. They are lit up 24/7 with little opportunity to check the wiring. What's more, with automobiles and fumes constantly in the environment, even a small spark could trigger an inferno. With lives and high investments at risk, all these areas need the best firefighting systems in the industry. And that's what we were thinking about when we designed the Ceasefire Watermist Indoor Autoquell system. It's an integrated indoor application system that adds cutting-edge technology to the traditional sprinkler systems by harnessing water mist for maximum extinguishing efficiency. This highly effective and eco-friendly system is made up of water mist nozzles, detectors, control panel, water reservoir and pump, and various accessories. Here's a demo setup at the Advanced Intelligence Center. The Autoquell system has been set up according to design provided by the Ceasefire Design Cell, which studies the needs and vulnerabilities of the area at length. Do keep in mind that the setup may differ as per variations of applications. Detectors in this system include either smoke, heat and rate of rise and beam detectors, or a combination of these. The audible alarm goes off as soon as the fire is detected, alerting personnel in the area to the danger. On receiving the alert signal from detectors, the control panel sends a signal to activate the system and release the extinguishing agent. The extinguishing agent, water, is stored in a reservoir or tank that connects to a pump. On receiving a signal from the control panel, a high-powered pump propels the water quickly and efficiently through the pipes and fittings. The water makes its way to the nozzle head and is converted into water mist at the nozzle point. These droplets, which are between 70 and 100 microns in size, are thrown very far by the kinetic energy generated by the compressed air. The Watermist indoor autoquell system, connected to a water reservoir or pump, is called the pump-driven system. There is also a pulse mist system that's been specially designed for smaller environments or for areas where the fire hazard is likely to be in a smaller enclosed space. The water source in the case of the pulse mist system is a pressurized cylinder available in sizes ranging from 12 liters to 100 liters, connected to the system via a manifold. The pulse mist system is just as effective as the pump-driven system, the only difference being that it's designed for smaller applications. Now let's see how the indoor autoquell pulse mist system works in real life. As soon as it detects the fire, the Ceasefire Watermist indoor autoquell system starts up and puts out the fire in just a few minutes. The indoor autoquell system has many advantages. It's self-contained and self-actuating, which means firefighting is automatic. The system is on 24/7 and has extended reach on account of the revolutionary mist technology. It's also environmentally friendly, people-friendly, and electrically non-conductive, making it safe to use on expensive electronic equipment. The system uses considerably less water than water-based systems that evaporates completely in the fire environment, leaving behind no collateral damage. It's economical too, because of the reduced requirements of storage and propulsion of water. It's a revolutionary cutting-edge alternative to the traditional sprinkler system. What's more, the indoor autoquell system can be used to protect all the indoor applications we covered earlier. So that's the Ceasefire Watermist indoor autoquell system, a single fluid system, a single comprehensive solution for all types of indoor applications. We believe that the most effective fire solutions are the ones that are customized according to the unique characteristics of the area being protected. That's where the Ceasefire Design Cell comes in. First, the design cell's technical survey team visits the facility and conducts a detailed study to understand its vulnerabilities and requirements. The data is passed to CAD designers who design the system comprising the components, detection mechanism, delivery mechanism, and delivery lines. The design is then reviewed by the technical team. Once the blueprint is finalized, the installation team oversees installation and testing. The Ceasefire team also trains you and your staff to use the fire safety system. Post-installation, the service team maintains and services the system through intensive ceasefire care unit. It's this efficiency that allows us to reach out to more than 3,000 new customers a month, sell a product every 61 seconds, and save a life every 9 minutes. We're equipped and ready to protect your premises.